In this video, I will talk on what are BCD numbers, how to represent a given decimal number in a BCD form, and the concept of valid and invalid BCD codes. Finally, the BCD addition will be explained in detail by solving different examples. BCD is an abbreviation that stands for binary coded decimal. In BCD code, each decimal digit is represented by a 4-bit binary number. Hence the name BCD, that is decimal number is coded in binary. In BCD code, each binary bit has certain weight associated with itself. The 4 binary bits of BCD code has the weights of 8, 4, 2 and 1. Since the weights are attached to the individual bits, BCD is a weighted code. In BCD, each decimal digit is coded in 4 bits of binary. We know that with 4 bits, we can represent 16 different numbers because 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. The 16 numbers that can be represented are 0000, 0001 up to 1111. But in BCD code, out of these 16 numbers, only first 10 numbers are used. That is, the numbers from 0000 to 1001 are used. These are called as a valid BCD codes, as each of the 4-bit code represent a single digit decimal number from 0 to 9. The remaining 6 binary numbers, that is the numbers 1010, 1011, 1100, 1101, 1110 and 1111 are invalid BCD codes. This concept will be helpful when we will perform the BCD addition. Let's quickly go through the example where I have to convert the decimal number 76 into equivalent BCD code. Each decimal digit is represented with its equivalent 4-bit BCD code. These 4 bits weights are 8, 4, 2 and 1. The decimal number given here is 76. First convert 7 into equivalent 4-bit BCD code. So 7 is represented in BCD as 0, 1, 1, 1 because 7 is equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1. Similarly, 6 is a combination of 4 plus 2. So it is represented as 0, 1, 1, 0. Hence, decimal number 76 is equal to 0111 0110 in BCD form. Before doing the actual BCD addition, let's go through the rules for BCD addition. In step 1, add the BCD numbers by using the rules of normal BCD addition. After addition, we can come across one of these 3 different cases. Consider the case number 1. Here, when we perform BCD addition, the sum obtained is less than or equal to 9 and there is no carry generated. In this case, the sum is in valid BCD form and no correction is required. In case number 2, the sum of 2 BCD number is greater than 9 and carry is equal to 0. That means sum is an invalid BCD number. So we have to correct the sum by adding decimal 6 or 0110 to it. After this addition, we get the correct BCD sum. And finally, case number 3. Here, the sum of 2 BCD number is less than or equal to 9, but there is a final carry. Again, this is the wrong or invalid answer. So we have to correct the sum by adding decimal 6. That is by adding 0110 to it. After this, we get correct BCD sum. We will solve 3 different examples of BCD addition considering one example of each case. Let's solve the example related to case number 1. Case number 1 is when sum is less than or equal to 9 and carry is not generated, that is carry is equal to 0. Here decimal 2 is added with decimal 5 using BCD addition. 2 is represented as 0010 in BCD form. Similarly, 5 is represented as 0101 in BCD form. Let's perform the addition. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. And there is no carry generated. As the sum here is 0111. That is 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 7. And as sum is less than or equal to 9 and there is no carry generated, that is carry is equal to 0. So the result is in valid BCD form, hence no correction is required. So the final result is 0111. And if you tally it, if you cross check it, 2 plus 5 comes to be 7. Let's discuss the second case of BCD addition, where sum after BCD addition is greater than 9 and there is no carry generated. Let's take the example. Here 47 is to be added with 25. First represent 47 in BCD form. So 4 is represented in BCD as 0, 1, 0, 0. Second digit 7 is represented in BCD as 0, 1, 1, 1. Similarly, second digit, that is 25, is represented in BCD as first 2 is represented as 0010 and 5 is represented as 0101. Now we will perform the addition of these two numbers. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 is added with 1 gives you the result as 0 and there is a carry of 1. Here 1 is added with 1 first. So 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry 1 and again the sum is added with 1. So result is 1 with a carry of 1. 0 plus 0 is 0 and the result, that is 0, is added with this carry 1. So it is 1 and there is no carry generated. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. Now if you look at the result, you will come to know that these lower 4 bits, they are not in a valid BCD form because 1100 is not a valid BCD. If you look at the second set of result, then 0110, it is a valid BCD. So no correction is required, but as far as these invalid BCDs are concerned, we need to convert this invalid BCD number into valid BCD by adding 6, that is by adding 0110 to it. So let's do the addition. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 is written as it is, this 1 is written as it is and this 0 is written as it is. And this is a valid BCD result. Let's form the group of 4 bits each and convert them into decimal number. So 0, 1, 1, 1, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 7. Similarly 0, 0, 1, 0, when converted into decimal it is 2. So final result is 72. And you can cross check because when 47 is added with 25, we obtain 72. So that's why we have obtained the correct result. Let's discuss the third case of BCD addition, where sum is less than or equal to 9, but there is a carry generated. So let's add 58 and 29 using BCD addition. 58 is represented in BCD form as, first 5 is written in BCD as 0101. Similarly, 8 is represented as 1000. Second number, that is 29, is represented in BCD by writing a group of 4 bits for each digit. So first digit is 2, it is written as 0010. Second digit is 9, it is represented as 1001. Now let's add them. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. So remember here that a carry is generated. Now 1 plus 0 plus 1 is nothing but 0 with a carry of 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and when 1 added with 1, it is 0 with a carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and there is no carry generated. If you look at the result, at the lower 4 bits, the result seems to be in valid BCD form because 0001 is in valid BCD form, but there is a carry generated. So even if sum is less than 9, there is a carry generated, so it is in invalid BCD form. Second set of 4 bits, that is 1000, it is less than 9 and there is no carry generated, so it is obviously in valid BCD form. And as rule says, whenever you obtain a invalid BCD result, then you have to convert it into valid BCD by adding 6 to it. So let's add 6, that is 0, 1, 1, 0. So 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. And as it is already in valid BCD form, there is no need to add 0110 to it. So they are written as it is. So this is the final result. Convert it into decimal number. So 1000 is nothing but 8, and 0111, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1, it is 7. So when 58 is added with 27, when 58 is added with 29, you obtain 87 as a result. That's all for now. Hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.